Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn organic chemistry in one day. First, grasp the foundational concepts such as atomic structure, bonding, and hybridization. Familiarize yourself with the common functional groups and their characteristic properties. Mastering EUPAC nomenclature is also crucial for accurately naming and identifying organic compounds. This initial understanding forms the bedrock for more complex topics. Next, dive into reaction mechanisms. Instead of rote memorization, strive to understand the electron flow and intermediates involved in each step. Actively drawing out mechanisms for various reactions will significantly enhance your comprehension. Dedicate ample time to working through a diverse range of practice problems. This is key to applying theoretical knowledge effectively and building confidence. To optimize your learning, employ effective study strategies. Flashcards are excellent for rapidly recalling reactions, reagents, and their specific conditions. Developing comprehensive reaction maps helps you visualize how different pathways connect and transform molecules. Additionally, a quick review of basic spectroscopy, like NMR and IR, will aid in interpreting structural information, which is vital for problem solving. Finally, touch upon more advanced concepts like stereochemistry, understanding how three-dimensional arrangements affect molecular behavior. Revisit acid-base chemistry, as it underpins many organic reactions. Remember, consistent review is paramount for long-term retention. For those looking to expand their learning resources, check the description for a link to a popular e-reader and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to access study materials anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.